Welcome to Ryotei Kisho JB, where Omakase dining experience the most authentic Japanese food in JB. With 5 private rooms and 1 counter. Here our owner Mr. Asami is doing the taco egg, octopus egg. He's explaining it to the customer on how we get the taco, the octopus egg, and how we are going to prepare it. Here you see he used a burner to simply extract the egg from the shell. And this will be made into sashimi for your enjoyment. And this is how it looks after all the preparations, where you are going to dip it in ponzu sauce. Next, we have maguro misozuke, and this is tairagai pen shell with nori. And for the next, this is a simple soup with maguro. And this is a seasonal fish, mame kinki fish, where it's perfectly grilled on binchotan. Is tempura, and this is a kakeage vegetables with sakura ebi. And this is ginkgo nuts tempura. And here we have sweet potato from Chiba Prefecture. And the king of tempura, prawn tempura. And this is snow crab wrapped with oba leaf. And here we have Hokkaido pumpkin. And this is anago. Next, this is a traditional food, tofu base, where it's in front of you. Here we have the chef preparing the sushi for you. This is Akami. The lean part of maguro. For this next sushi, it's a very special cut where it's been dry aged for 14 days to dry out the moisture and just left with the taste of the maguro. This is shark gizzard or koada. Prepare the chutoro, and here the chef is preparing for the next dish, negitoro, where it's chopped maguro with onion and seaweed. Pan shell again in sushi form. And to end your dining experience, this is musk melon from Shizuoka, Fukuroi.